Welcome to Healthy Horizons. We share the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with expert advice and practical health insights. Subscribe now and start your journey to better health. Amazake, often called a drinkable IV, is a fermented beverage packed with nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. Made from either rice koji or sake leaves, Amazake is known for its positive impact on overall well-being, from boosting energy levels to improving digestion, enhancing skin health, warming the body, and even strengthening the immune system. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. First, there are two main types of Amazake: rice koji Amazake and sake leaves Amazake. Rice koji Amazake is made by fermenting rice with koji mold, resulting in a naturally sweet drink without any alcohol, making it safe for children and those sensitive to alcohol. It's rich in vitamins, amino acids, and glucose, offering a natural energy boost. On the other hand, sake leaves Amazake, made from the byproduct of sake production, contains a small amount of alcohol, but is also packed with beneficial nutrients like proteins and amino acids, which can support collagen production and promote healthier skin. One of the standout benefits of Amazake is its ability to promote recovery from fatigue. Amazake contains glucose, a fast-absorbing energy source for the body and brain. This can be especially helpful when you're feeling tired or need a quick boost during the day. Additionally, the vitamins in Amazake help your body convert food into energy more efficiently, making it easier to maintain stamina and avoid fatigue. Amazake also plays a key role in improving digestion and gut health. It contains oligosaccharides and dietary fiber, which nourish the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. A well-balanced gut leads to smoother digestion, reduced bloating, and even improved immunity. Drinking Amazake regularly, especially in the morning, can help keep your digestive system running smoothly throughout the day. When it comes to skin health, Amazake is a beauty secret worth knowing. The vitamins and vitamin E in rice koji Amazake promotes skin cell regeneration, improving the skin's turnover rate. This helps keep the skin looking fresh, vibrant, and youthful. Additionally, the amino acids in sake leaves Amazake support collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. For those who struggle with cold hands and feet, Amazake is an excellent remedy. The B vitamins in Amazake improve circulation, helping to warm up the body from the inside out. Drinking warm Amazake, especially during the colder months, not only keeps your body cozy, but also supports your metabolism, making it easier for your body to stay warm naturally. Lastly, Amazake is a powerful ally in boosting the immune system. As a fermented food, Amazake helps maintain a healthy gut environment, where a large portion of the body's immune cells reside. A well-functioning gut can improve your body's ability to fight off infections, including colds and other illnesses. Additionally, the vitamins and amino acids in Amazake provide essential support for your immune cells, helping you stay healthy and strong year-round. In summary, Amazake is more than just a delicious drink. Its combination of natural sugars, vitamins, and nutrients makes it a potent health tonic that supports energy levels, digestion, skin health, body warmth, and immunity. Whether you're looking to recover from fatigue, improve your skin, or strengthen your immune system, Amazake is a simple, natural solution you can enjoy daily. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.